So this will be our room for tonight. Me and Madam Weng. Yung tas ng sapatos, ang tara yun. Simple lang yung room, oh. Malinis. And the comfort room, yung shower room, malinis, bago. There. Is it hot or cold shower? Ah, it is. May shampoo, may shower gel, kompleto. Okay. And then, what I like most is, meron siyang parang veranda. Isa kami ni Madam Weng ng room. And then, there's a light here. Tapos meron siyang veranda na ganito. There, oh. I have a view here of parang siyang garden. Yeah. At saka meron din siya sa baba na ano. Parang gym. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna close this na dahil check ko yung ibang amenities. Okay. Nakalak na siya. Kumakatok si Madam eh. Nagbibideo-video ako.